If this can happen to an advocate, what does it say about the safety of an ordinary citizen? What exactly triggered the confrontation can be examined. Versions may differ, facts can be tested, but what followed can never be justified. This is the story of an advocate at the Gotona Baratol Plaza in Barabanki district in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where a routine toll and Fastag related dispute turned into public manhandling, not because the law failed, but because it was ignored. If an officer of the court can be assaulted in the open for questioning an action, what protection does an ordinary citizen have when they raise the same question? This is not about who was right on facts. In a constitutional democracy, no disagreement is resolved by mob force. When many assault one openly, fear replaces law. Outnumbered, assaulted, and pressured to apologize, the advocate stood firm, not out of ego, but out of self-respect of the bar and of every citizen who relies on law to speak for them. The response of the bar mattered. Advocates stood together, not for privilege, but for dignity, safety, and the rule of law. The toll workers who had surrounded the advocate and insisted that he say sorry ran away from the spot, abandoning the toll plaza. No longer present to hear the so-called sorry, the advocates who gathered were ready to deliver. After a formal complaint was lodged, the police stepped in and took action in accordance with law. That step matters because accountability must follow violence. Nava Legal stands with that advocate and supports the unity of advocates who united for our brother advocate. Because when an advocate is silenced by force, every citizen is put at risk. Let us follow the rule of law and stand for unity of the bar and justice without fear.